Hi everybody. Welcome to your daily burp talk. So today I'm not doing a soda. I'm doing sparkling coconut water and mango. I don't know. I'm over today. I've drank too much. So let's do this and try it out. It's pretty good. I'm usually not a coconut water fan, but the coconut with the mango's decent. Not too shabby for some coconut water. Let me know what you guys think.
So here's the thing. I already did it, but it's not on my account, so here you go.